Hey guys, what's up? Trav here. I looked up, I'm not really getting, a lot of views or a lot of subscribers, so I looked it up, and they said gun reviews. Like any gun, like Nerf gun or anything. I'm gonna start doing Nerf guns. Still a type of gun, just plastic, and you can reuse bullets. Still a gun that you shoot, just less painful and stuff. So right here, I have a miniature, pistol. I don't know. This is it right here. And it can hold 3 bullets. It's very powerful. Well, not very powerful, but it's decent size of, powerful. This might be one of the powerfulest. Maybe the second powerfulest. But this definitely other than my Nerf guns are weaker. So like I said, it could hold 3 bullets. We'll put 3 bullets in here. Okay. We'll shoot it. Let's move that. Gotta get this in the side. Very close up. Okay. Actually, we can move this probably. There we go. Load it. Just pull that back. That's fire 1. That's fire 2. Oh, the other 2 goes off at the same time, okay, maybe? Yeah, but obviously go like this. So once you shoot one, obviously the next 2 you shoot, the next one you try to shoot, 2 of them shoot. And then you can't shoot the other one because it already shot with the other one, so it shoots 2 bullets at the end. That might be, unless it just something went wrong, I don't know. But that's really it for today. Is this little Nerf gun. I will get bigger, and better Nerf guns. But first I'm starting small or bad guns to extremely good guns. And if I find my top bestest one, I'm sure to post that up. But I gotta find that first. So that's gonna be my last video, probably, of Nerf guns. Because that's the bestest one I have. Do you know where that Nerf gun is?
What Nerf gun?
Remember that giant monster Nerf gun I had?
That you brought here the other day?
No.
I don't know.
At, Nana's.
I don't know, Jeff.
We gotta find it. It's probably still in one of the boxes. Well, anyways, that's it for today, guys. I will see you later. And goodbye.